Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a project titled 360-degree rotating fire protection system. This project is a smart fire safety solution designed mainly for industrial use. Fire hazards are a major concern in large buildings like factories, warehouses, or chemical plants, and our system aims to provide a modern solution using smart technology and engineering. Through this presentation, I'll walk you through the problem we identified, the system we designed, and how it works to improve fire safety. Introduction. Let's start with basic introduction. In large industrial units like warehouses, factories, and refineries, fire safety is absolutely crucial. Even a small fire can quickly become dangerous and cause a lot of damage. Usually, these places use traditional sprinkler systems, but the problem with those systems is that they spray water all over the place, not just where the fire is. So they end up damaging furniture, electronics, or even paper documents that are even close to the fire. We realized that firefighting approach needs to be more smarter and more targeted, and that's what inspired our project. Problem statement. Now let's talk about the main problem we wanted to solve. As I mentioned before, traditional fire sprinkler systems have serious drawbacks. First, they work in a very generalized way, spraying water everywhere, even if the fire is just in one corner. Second, they can ruin expensive machines, computers, or office files just because they get soaked unnecessarily. And third, sometimes they don't spray enough water to stop a large fire, especially if the water pressure is low or the fire is too intense. This makes fire safety less effective and more wasteful. So we saw the need for a system that targets the fire directly, conserves water, and keeps other areas safe. Proposed solution. So what's our solution? We came up with a 360-degree rotating fire protection system that uses a motor control spray. This sprayer can be moved remotely and is equipped with wireless camera. This way, firefighters or even remote operators can see where the fire is, aim the nozzle properly, and spray water only in that area. This system gives full control to the users, allows accurate targeting, and makes it much safer to deal with fires without having to physically go near them. It's especially helpful in dangerous industrial environment. System overview. Here's a more detailed overview of how the system is structured. It uses two motors, one for the horizontal movement and another one for the vertical movement. This gives the nozzle the ability to rotate and aim in any direction. Hence, 360-degree coverage. There is a high capacity pump connected to the nozzle, which makes sure water comes with enough pressure. The system is controlled using an RF-based wireless controller, and the live camera helps feed in visually identifying the fire zone. This makes the whole operation not only remote but also very accurate and safe. Working principle. Now let me explain how the system works. The RF controller is like a remote control. Where the user presses a button, it sends a signal wirelessly to the receiver circuit attached to our system. This receiver interprets the commands and activates the motors to move the nozzle to the desired direction. At the same time, it turns on the pump to spray water. The nozzle moves in 2 degrees of freedom, which means it can go side to side or up and down. The wireless camera streams in live footage, so the user knows exactly where the fire is and can aim the nozzle with great precision. Block diagram. This slide shows the block diagram of our system, which helps to understand how all the components are connected. It begins with the RF remote, which sends command to the RF receiver. The receiver is connected to the motor drive circuits that control the two DC motors. These motors move the nozzle in both directions. The receiver also activates the water pump. The wireless camera mounted on the system streams video to the operator's screen. This block diagram summarizes the flow of the control and how everything works together in a simple visual format. 3D model. Here we have the 3D model of our system. This is a digital design we made using 3D modeling software before building the real prototype. It helped us visualize the entire setup, how the nozzle sits on the rotating frame, where the motors are placed, how the base supports the whole system, and where the camera and water pipe go. This model was really useful in identifying design flaws and improving the structure before physically assembling everything. Components used. In this slide, we mentioned all the components used in our project. We used two DC motors, one for the x-axis movement and another for y-axis. A strong pump motor is used to spray water. The RF controller and receiver are used for remote communication. We also use a wireless camera for real-time monitoring. Mechanical parts include adjustable spray nozzles, pipe joints, poles, screws, rotating frame, and base platform. All these parts are assembled carefully to make a functional and sturdy system. Mechanical design. Now let's talk about the mechanical design. The entire setup is mounted on a base frame which is strong and stable. The nozzle is attached to a rotating part that can turn around smoothly using bearings. We had to make sure the motor shafts were properly aligned to allow smooth movement. The pipe, nose, and nozzles were attached in a way that allows flexibility without leakage. The material used are lightweight yet durable, so the system does not become too heavy or wobbly when it rotates. Electrical and control design. This slide explains how we handle the electronics. We created a circuit that connects the RF receiver to the motor drives and pump. Each motor is powered with a separate supply and is controlled using direction and speed control signals. We had to make sure that the motors don't overheat and the pump gets enough voltage for strong water flow. All wiring is done neatly without proper insulation and safety measures. The circuit is designed to respond quickly to user commands for real-time control. Camera integration. The camera plays a major role in our system. We use a wireless streaming camera that sends live video to a smartphone or monitor. This helps the user or firefighter to see exactly where the fire is without physically being there. Based on what they see, they can rotate the nozzle and start or stop the water spray. This adds a smart layer of accuracy and safety. The camera is mounted on the same frame as the nozzle, so wherever the nozzle moves, the camera view also follows. System features. Our system has several key features. First, it can rotate 360 degrees and also move up and down, which allows it to aim anywhere. Second, it uses a wireless RF controller, which means you can control it from a distance. Third, the camera makes it easy to aim precisely. Fourth, it uses only as much water as needed, preventing waste and damage. And finally, it can be easily scaled up and installed in bigger buildings or multiple floors, making it very flexible for industrial use. Design prototype. In this slide, we show the prototype that we actually built. It's a working model that shows all the concepts in actions. We tested it under controlled conditions to see how it performs. We found that it responds well to the controller, rotates smoothly, sprays water accurately, and streams clear video. This successful prototype gives us the confidence that the system can be built on a larger scale for real world use. Further enhancement. Looking ahead, we may have ideas to make the system even better. For example, we can add fire detection sensors like infrared or smoke sensors that automatically activate the system when fire is detected. We can also connect it to the internet for smart monitoring through an app. Another idea is to use AI to automatically aim the nozzle based on the heat signatures. We can also make the system solar powered to make it eco-friendly. Application. This system has a wide range of uses. It can be installed in factories and warehouses where fire safety is critical. It is useful in oil and gas refineries where traditional sprinklers can be used due to explosive risk. It also works well in chemical industries, server rooms, data centers, and research laboratories where sensitive equipment needs to be protected from water damage. Basically, anywhere that needs precision. Smart fire protection can be benefit from our system. Conclusion. To sum up, our project offers a smart and modern approach to fire safety. Instead of blindly spraying water everywhere, it focuses directly on the fire. This saves water, protects valuable items, and makes the environment safer. It is also controlled from a distance so human lives aren't put at risk. This project shows how engineering and technology can solve real world problems in a smart and efficient way. Thank you. I hope you have a clear understanding of our project now.